Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got the GTI TCR back in that we did a bunch of handling, braking upgrades back in for some power upgrades. So we're installing APR Stage 1 ECU software today. It's like a 30-degree day. So yeah, we're going to put it on the dyno, do some baseline road runs, install the APR Stage 1 ECU software. Obviously this car's got a GPF, so you're expecting to see a little bit lower headline figures than what you'd see on like a normal IS38 car. Yeah, and then put it on the dyno afterwards and then illustrate you some of the differences. So enjoy. Okay, so we're on the dyno. We finished flashing the TCR with the APR Stage 1 ECU software for GPF equipped vehicles. We've done a baseline and we've obviously flashed the APR Stage 1 and then we've dynoed it after so we can illustrate the differences. When we did the baseline run, the car's already got the APR DSG software, Racing Line R600, turbo inlet hose, the 90-degree elbow, and then also the muffler delete as well. So obviously on the baseline, we're expecting to see a little bit higher power. I'm pleasantly surprised by this car. Obviously the standard power output is meant to be about 286 horsepower. It's making about 315, 316 horsepower as the baseline. We flashed the APR Stage 1, and as you can see, there's quite a big difference. So we've gained around 22 horsepower at peak at about 26 foot-pounds, but then underneath the curve, we've made some massive gains. Bearing in mind, this is a really hot day, so it's about 31 degrees at the moment, ambient temperature, but then inside the dyno, we're sort of like mid-40s, so about 45 degrees, something like that. So obviously you're going to be limited by air intake temps and also charge temps on this particular car because it's running a standard intercooler. So the vehicle is now running 340 horsepower and 365 foot-pounds of torque, but underneath the curve, it's gained as much as 76 foot-pounds and then around 50 horsepower as well. So gains literally everywhere in the rev range from the start right to the rev limit. And obviously as the customer progresses, installs like intercoolers, exhaust systems, things like that, we can install different APR ECU software to then increase the power further as well if the customer wants to go for it. So yeah, the customer's got a couple of track days booked, so I'll hand it over to him and see what he thinks.